Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, today our topic is how to create a lead generation form campaign in the LinkedIn Ads Manager account. So as you know, in our previous video, we have learned like how we can create a lead generation form in the LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager, and today I will let you know how to use that lead generation form, and with the help of that we will create a campaign so that we can advertise like our ads on LinkedIn. And then I will also let you know how we can get leads from that form and where the leads going from that form and how we can download it and then contact these leads and convert them easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Let me show you how to do it. Thank you. Hello guys, so as you know, today our topic is how to create an instant lead generation form campaign in the LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. And as you know, in our previous video, we have learned how we can create a lead generation form. And in today's video, I will let you know how to use that lead generation form in an instant lead form campaign. So as you can see, now we are on the dashboard. So to create a campaign, we need to go to the advertise option, which is in the right of the corner, and I will click on it. And once I'll click on it, it will like redirect me to the dashboard where we can create different objective campaign. So as you know, in LinkedIn ads, we need to first create a campaign group, then we can create a campaign, and then we can turn to the third point, and that is ad group. First of all, what we need to do is we need to click on the create button, and on the create button I will firstly unselect it, and then I will create a campaign group, and I will name it lead generation instant, so that we will know what kind of campaign we are creating right now. So I will mark the date as well, so that we have an idea what to do next. Okay, and here you need to select the objective as well, as there are different objective here. So what we need to do is we need to choose objective which we want, and as per now our objective is lead generation. So I will choose the lead generation objective right now, and I will click on it, and it will date the schedule date, and then I will click on the create button. And once I click on the create button, our campaign group is created. As you can see, lead generation. Now we need to select it and go to the campaigns level, and here we need to click on the create button and then click on the campaign, and it will give us the accelerate and classic option. I will always choose the classic because we have more control on classic option. So now our campaign group is created. His name is this. Our objective is lead generation. You need to recheck here all the data what you are doing, so that you have an idea. And here you will check that you have set the budget at campaign level, bid strategy at campaign level. So you can check all the things here. Then you need to click on the next button. And once you click on the next button, it will give you the option of targeting, audience targeting, like which particular location you want to target, which particular audience you want to target. So you need to do preference as per your opinion, where you think this is the audience which can buy your product or take your services. So you can target all these things in this section, in the audience section. Okay, and after that we have a format, like whether you want to run a ad with image format, carousel, video, message, conversation. So what type of ad you want, you can use it here. And after that you need to add a parameter. If you want to add a URL parameters to track the data in your Google Analytics, and you can use the same here. And after that you need to do the placement, like where in the LinkedIn ads you can show your ads. So like I will choose it to place LinkedIn ads properties like website or mobile app. So after that there are different options like the conversion options. So here you have the option of conversion tracking as well. First of all, let me talk about the bidding strategy. I will always use maximum delivery so that we'll get maximum results. Like we will use our budget and get maximum out of it. So I will use maximum delivery bidding strategy, but it's upon to you. Whatever bidding strategy you want to choose, you can use. If you want to choose cost cap, you can do it as well. It will help us to like if you want like you need result in $10. If you want a lead in only in $10, you can set it here so that LinkedIn algorithm will work accordingly. So you can choose it here. So there is nothing to worry about. But I will always use maximum delivery. And after that, you have, as if you see my previous video, you have a conversion tracking options where we are redirecting the visitor to our website. And in that case, we will use the event which we have created, like registration, sign up, these kind of buttons. But now we are running a lead generation, instant lead generation campaign. So I don't think we need to choose it here. So I will click on the next button. And after that, yeah, we are on the like ads level, and here what we need to do is we need to click on the create new ad button. And once we click on it, we have that option, like we need to name ad. I will choose the old one, like I will already created an ad. I will copy and paste it here. I will use the name as ad one, and after that, here is the main option coming. In the destination option, it will ask like what kind of destination you want to give the visitors. Like we need to redirect the visitor to the lead generation form which we have created in the previous video. So I will search it here, and as you can see, new form 702/2025 will be here, and I will use that as our destination so that when somebody click on the page, click on the ad, it will redirect to the visitor to this form where they can fill this form. And after that, we just need to add the ad, like basically the things which we need in our ads, like the introductory text, the destination URL if somebody linked on the ad, and then our headline, and call to action is our sign up, and we can upload the image, which image we want to show visitors. That I will choose, let's suppose this image for now, and we'll select it. And as you can see, now everything is set up properly. You just need to give a call to action, like request to pan, request demo, or you can, I will want it to register now. And as you can see, now everything is selected. So once somebody click on the ad, it will redirect to the people to that form. So and then they will fill that form, and we will able to get that lead in our lead generation section. I will show you where we get that lead. And now the ad is saved. Now everything is set up. We just need to finally finish the campaign setup and finally publish the campaign. And now everything is set up. So I will mark this campaign as inactive because it's a test campaign. I have created this to give you the understanding how we can create a lead generation form campaign in LinkedIn ads. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a lead generation form campaign in the LinkedIn Ads Manager. Okay, and that's I will let you know where you will able to see the leads. Once you got the lead, you will see the data here, like 0, 1 lead, which lead you are coming. It will be showcased here. And if you need to download that lead, you need to go to the lead generation form section where your form is created, and here you can download the leads which is coming through the campaign. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a LinkedIn like instant lead form generation campaign in LinkedIn ads form. So thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.